Hi guys, it's Hedva here, and today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this easy squishy water bottle. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started. So the things that you'll be needing to make this squishy water bottle are an empty water bottle, any type of soap, some water, and this is optional but you can also use some paint. I'm using a purple shade of paint. The first thing you want to do is take your empty water bottle, then open it up and fill it halfway with water. After you're done filling the water bottle, put some paint inside it. Then close it up and make sure it's really tight. Now go ahead and shake it up. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. After the paint and the water are all mixed up, open it up and fill it with soap. Now close it back up and go ahead and shake it. After you're finished shaking it up, open the bottle up and then squeeze it and quickly put the cap back on. Now wipe the bubbles from the water bottle. And you're done! And that is how to make a DIY squishy water bottle fidget. Hope you guys enjoy making it as much as I did. Don't forget to watch my other videos and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye! Chu-chu-chu-chu, the end.